Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make crab with Origami Sheet easy method. Fold a square sheet diagonally to form a triangle, then fold the triangle in half to mark the center crease. Unfold, collapse edges to create a kite shape, and lock the layers by tucking one flap under another. Shape claws by folding small corners outward and refine leg creases for a tidy crab finish. Start by aligning the kite points and collapsing them toward the center to form the crab's rounded shell. Use careful reverse folds to tuck extra paper inside and create a seamless body without gaps. Smooth the shell by running your fingers along each crease, then gently round the paper to give the crab a natural curved look while keeping the folds crisp and clean for a polished finish. Create the crab's personality by folding the lower corners into precise small triangles to form claws that point forward. Make tiny score creases along the sides for segmented legs and curve them subtly to stand three-dimensionally. Avoid cutting or glue. Rely on interlocking folds to hold parts in place, and refine each claw tip with a narrow reverse fold so the crab looks lively and balanced on its folded legs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.